All right, let's dive right in. We're talking about a massive blind spot that's popping up in boardrooms all over the place: AI security. It's the new mandate.
So, before we get into the weeds, just a quick heads up. What you're about to see is part one of a 5-part executive summary. It's based on a really comprehensive report called Continuous Role and Location Tailored AI Security Training by Virtualization Options LLC. We're only going to cover a tiny fraction of what's in that full report, really just looking at the benefits and the complexities of these programs. And of course, this brief overview comes with no warranty.
So let's start with the big question, the one that should be on every executive's mind. Your company is jumping into AI, right? Everybody is. But is your security training actually ready for what's coming? Because trust me, the consequences of getting this wrong are not just big, they're immediate. Okay, first things first. To really get a handle on this challenge, we have to accept a new business reality. This isn't some trend that's on the horizon. Nope, the ground has already shifted, and this is the inevitable foundation we're all building on now. You know, AI isn't just some pilot project tucked away in the IT department anymore. Not by a long shot. It has absolutely exploded across the entire enterprise. It's changing how every single department operates. And this super fast, kind of chaotic spread has created this whole new world of risks that, honestly, most companies are just now starting to wrap their heads around. And that brings us to the next big piece of the puzzle. The global rulebook has been completely rewritten. You can think of it as a new regulatory squeeze. See, as AI became this foundational tech, you better believe regulators all over the world started paying very close attention. And now they're rewriting the rules at a speed and with a severity that is frankly staggering. Just look at this one number, 7%. That might not sound like a huge deal, but let's be crystal clear about what it is. That's the potential fine under the new EU AI Act if you're not compliant. And this is the killer detail. That's not 7% of your local profit. Oh no, that's 7% of your global revenue. For any big company, we're talking about a fine that could be an absolutely existential threat. And don't for a second think this is just a European thing. The world's two biggest economic players are moving in lockstep here. You've got the EU's AI Act, and you've got the US Executive Order 1410. And they both have this one critical mandate baked right in. You must have documented training evidence, proof, for anyone who operates what they call high-risk models. So yeah, the whole era of just saying, oh yeah, trust us, we trained our people, that's officially over. So the logical next question is, okay, we need documented evidence. Can't we just roll out some standard company-wide training module and call it a day? Well, the answer to that is a hard no. In fact, trying to use a one-size-fits-all approach isn't just ineffective, it's a huge liability now. And here's why. It's because we're dealing with this growing global patchwork of rules. It's not just the EU and the US anymore. You've got major economies like Brazil, Canada, India, South Korea, the UAE. They're all baking their own specific AI training requirements right into their laws. There is no way a single generic training program can possibly cover this incredibly complex web of rules. And this really gets us to the heart of the matter. The security risk from AI in your company is not a flat line. It's not the same for everyone. It splits, and it splits sharply across two key dimensions. First, an employee's technical depth, what they actually do, and second, their geographic jurisdiction, where they do it. I mean, think about it. Your model developer, they're worried about things like code injection. The data curator is looking out for poisoned data. Your average business user, they're a huge risk for leaking sensitive info just by what they type into a prompt. And your executives, they're the prime targets for really sophisticated corporate espionage using AI. A single training module that tries to talk to all of them at once, it's going to be way too generic for the tech folks and way too technical for the execs. You end up effectively training nobody. So you've got the regulations, you've got the different roles, but on top of all that complexity, there's another layer. The threats themselves, the actual dangers we're facing are brand new. With traditional software security, right, the focus was pretty clear. Secure the app, secure the infrastructure. You run a scan, you find a bug, you patch it. Simple enough. But AI model security, that's a whole different ballgame. Now you have to worry about the entire data pipeline, the training, the evaluation, all of it. This whole process is a giant new attack surface where subtle little defects can hide, and your standard security scans, they'll miss them completely. And this leads to some really weird new problems for your security teams. Take something called a generative AI incident. What is that? Well, it's when a model spits out something bizarre or harmful, and your incident responders are left scratching their heads. They literally can't tell if it was a malicious attack or just one of the model's normal hallucinations. So, how are you supposed to respond to something when you don't even know if you've been attacked? You need totally new playbooks for this stuff.
Okay, so let's put it all together. You got universal adoption of AI, you got this crushing regulatory pressure from all sides, and you've got a threat landscape that's completely alien. When you mix all that up, you land on one single, unavoidable conclusion: the training imperative. This is the new mandate. It's all about a fundamental shift in thinking. We have to move past seeing security training as just another compliance checkbox we have to tick. The goal now is to transform it into a real competitive advantage, a measurable risk reduction engine.
And how do you get there? Well, the new reality demands a training program that is built on three pillars. First, it has to be continuous, not just some once-a-year thing. Second, it has to be role-based, designed for the specific risks people face. And third, it has to be location-tailored for all those different legal rules. Let's be clear, this isn't optional anymore. This is the new baseline. And that leaves us with one final crucial question to chew on. The AI transformation isn't on its way, it's already here. So, is your team's security knowledge actually keeping pace with this new reality? Or is that gap quietly becoming your company's next massive liability?